Protractor users that have already assigned a service advisor or technician on their ticket can have those users mapped. Here I've left this ticket unassigned deliberately so that we can go into Protractor and see how this works. To assign our technicians, all we need to do is go to this ticket. You can see here that we have a service advisor and technician unassigned. We can change that right here. And we're going to save and close this ticket. With this ticket closed and saved, we can see now that the users are properly mapped. There are multiple other ways to assign technicians inside of AutoTextMe alone. You can see some of those service advisor videos in our training section. What you do need to be aware of is that if you make a change in Protractor, it will update in AutoTextMe. So if we go back to our work in progress screen and change the technician on this ticket, and then save it, it will update here as well. Since this ticket is a newer ticket, it automatically becomes the priority 1, and our other ticket becomes priority 2. Users can change this in the Set Priority screen or use TechFlow. Drag and drop technician assignments are available here, and you can put the priorities back to what you need them to be. With technicians properly assigned, it's now time to either perform an inspection on this vehicle or to actively engage the work order. Your system administrator needs to be aware of a few things. Go to your Manage Users page and take a look at your staff. Here we can go into the Edit Information page and we see that we need the SMS username field filled out. This is going to be your display name in Protractor. To find your display name, you need to have administrator access to Protractor as well. You can go into Setup, filter out your menu, go to the Employees section, find the employee, and identify their display name here. Users with multiple display names, they will need to be different in order to be identified in AutoTextMe.